Hoi Alejo Igoa. This channel is growing so fast recently. And it has reached number 41 in the top 50 channels. Overtaking many top channel in the last few days. Tried to find out this channel. And found that they have a lot of fun content in their channels. Their latest video is Bunkered $1 vs $1000, 9.2 M views, 8 days ago.
No, those are actually hamburgers and they are orange.
Yes, they don't work. Look at these, they are sharks and they are blue.
Look, there's pink cereal here.
Strawberry ice cream flavor. Let's get it.
From Barbie.
Let's take a drink with the cereals.
Look, there's a pink...
And their latest short is 24-hour sodding blue and pink. 10 M views. 13 days great, they are doing great.
But I got a SpongeBob
Soon they will hit the
lunchbox and it
100
came
million
with a Squidward.
subscribers.
I also have a SpongeBob lunchbox, and it came with a SpongeBob thermos.
I have a SpongeBob Funko and a SpongeBob Super Tech watch.
Oh yeah, and I have a SpongeBob Magic Super Billboard.
I have a SpongeBob backpack and this SpongeBob.
And I have these SpongeBob balloons.
And I have a life-size SpongeBob.
And I have a life-size Patrick and Squidward.
You know what? I'm going to give away all this SpongeBob stuff to the first person who hits the subscribe button right now.
Oh yeah, well, I'm going to give away all this SpongeBob stuff to the first person who hits the like button.